My name is Apurva Bhandari, and the topic of my poem is Dear Youth, Say No to Drugs. Roaming here and there with no fear. Roaming here and there with no fear. Yes, I am talking about our youth. And some very important topic, they love to stay mute. They are all busy with cigarettes to look cool. Let me tell you that time you look like a fool. Do not take heroin to become a hero. Do not take heroin to become a hero. Go to border and see the real hero. Go to border and see the real hero. Do not waste your life behind drugs. Do not waste your life behind drugs. Fill your life with beautiful ladybugs. Fill your life with beautiful ladybugs. Thank you. Love yourself and say no to drugs.
It starts with the first bad choice, the craving, the habit, the failed detox, and finally the addiction. Make the decision today and do not let drugs get in your way. Say no to drugs, say yes to life.
हर दर्द की दवा ढूंढते ढूंढते हर दर्द की दवा ढूंढते ढूंढते दवा से दोस्ती मत करना। हर दर्द की दवा ढूंढते ढूंढते तू दवा से दोस्ती मत करना, इस उम्मीद में कि आज के बाद फिर कभी दर्द महसूस ना हो। इट्स अ मैसेज फ्रॉम माय साइड। स्टे फिट, स्टे हेल्दी एंड से नो टू ड्रग्स। ओके।
The more you use, the less you live. Life does not rewind, so say no to drugs.
का सेवन करते हुए देखते हैं तो उसे रोकिए, उसे समझाइए। और अगर बात करें हम लोगों की, तो हम लोग एक शिक्षक धारा से जुड़े हुए हैं, एक शिक्षक बनने जा रहे हैं आगे। तो हमारा कर्तव्य ये है एक शिक्षक होने के नाते कि हम जागरूकता फैलाएं, अवेयरनेस फैलाएं समाज में, ठीक है। क्योंकि एक शिक्षक का कर्तव्य यही होता है कि वह जागरूकता फैलाए, अवेयरनेस फैलाए और समाज को सुधारे। जब अपने आप को आप सुधारेंगे तो समाज अपने आप सुधरेगा। और अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं कि बीड़ी, सिगरेट, तंबाकू खा पी कर बढ़ाना चाहते हो अपना मान, कैंसर होगा, बीमारी होगी, अरे चली जाएगी जान।
The drugs that make a drug addict is the need to escape the reality. One of the hardest things was learning that I was worth recovering. When you can't stop, you don't want to, and when you want to stop, you can't. That's addiction drug causes you. But nevertheless, recovery is not a race. You don't have to feel guilty if it takes you longer than you thought it would. Let me tell you, my friends, drugs take you to hell disguised as heaven.
नशा से दूर रहें। दारू है, शराब है, तंबाकू है और आदि चीज़ों से जैसे मुर्गा वगैरह, इनसे सारी बीमारी बनती है, तो इनसे दूर रहें, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। शरीर के लिए हानिकारक है।
नशा पानी से दूर रहे, सेहत में ध्यान दें। सबसे बड़ा बीमार नशा ही है। नशा से दूर रहो, ज़िंदगी अच्छी रहेगी। आप लोग से रिक्वेस्ट है। जय हिंद।
Antivirus is installed in all the systems. Like that, install the antivirus of strength and ability to prevent us from all the disease and drugs.
हमें नशीले पदार्थ जैसे धूम्रपान, शराब, ड्रग्स इत्यादि के बुरे प्रभावों के बारे में लोगों को जागरूकता करने के लिए अपनी आवाज़ उठाने की ज़रूरत है।
Of drugs and smoking are highly injurious to our health. They deteriorate not only our health but spoil life also. They are main cause of domestic violence in most of the families.
And my slogan is drugs are not a cool, they make you act like a fool. Don't be a clown, drug will keep you down. Thank you.
नशे से बचो और जीवन बचाओ, नशे की जो लत है उसे भूल जाओ। जीवन बहुत कीमती ये मिला है, नशे में इसे इस तरह मत गंवाओ।
तो देर अब भी नहीं हुई है, वक्त रहते इस आदत से भाग जाओ और अपने को संभाल लो। अभी तो बहुत कुछ हासिल करना है, जिंदगी की इस राह में अभी तो भरपूर जीना।
Good morning, children. Drug abuse, also called substance abuse, is an illness that is characterized by a destructive pattern use of illegal drug or medication. As condition affects the person's brain such they are unable to control the use of drug. So I would like to advise you, say no to drug.
सारे गामा कहता मामा, सच बोलो सच तोलो श्यामा, रे गामा पा सुन लो पापा, अंबर को है किसने नापा, दुख है तो सुख भी प्यारे, गामा पाधा खर्चो आधा, बाजे ढोलक नाचे राधा, ड्रग्स चरस ये गलत काम है, गलत काम है, गलत काम है, गलत काम है, माँ पाधानी गाती नानी, सासुरों से दुनिया जानी, दुनिया जानी, दुनिया जानी। संगीत में एक ऐसा नशा है जिसे अगर हम महसूस करें तो जिंदगी और भी खूबसूरत लगने लगती है। इसलिए अगर करना है तो संगीत का नशा करो। धन्यवाद।
On the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, I want to recite a short poem which goes like this. Drug abuse is an obstruction which leads one on a gloomy path of self-destruction. It has devastated many worthy lives. It has devastated many worthy lives. On despair and helplessness it thrives. Let us take a pledge today to curb this abuse. Let us take a pledge today to curb this abuse and make this world a better place to live. Make this world a better place to live and tie all the ends that are loose. Thank you very much.
हम सबकी बस यही है चाहत, नशा मुक्त हो मेरा भारत। 26 जून को नशा मुक्ति दिवस मनाएं, नशे को भूलकर भी हाथ ना लगाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Better knowledge for better prevention, because drug abuse prevention activities must be based on facts and evidences.
Life is short, make it vivid. Pains are ephemeral, make them timid. Life is valuable. Enjoy it to the fullest, not by drugs, but by love. Thank you.
Of education. Drug addiction is mainly related to 4 misused substances: alcohol, nicotine, cocaine, and opioids. Excessive use of alcohol causes adverse effects on the liver, pancreas, brain, and nerves, resulting in associated medical conditions like liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, memory disturbances, psychiatric illness, and even blocked blood vessels. According to WHO, the statistical data of 2018, tobacco kills more than 1 million people each year in India, accounting for 9.5% of all deaths. So my appeal to every citizen is to spread more and more awareness for better care. Jai Hind.
On International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, I would like to share a few lines. Health is a great gift of God. Don't spoil it with different modes. Tobacco is bad for lungs and throat. Alcohol damages liver a lot. Cocaine, even in smaller dose, can result in seizures and strokes. Stay away from drugs to live long. Revitalize, rejuvenate health as life is a boon. Stay away from drugs. Thank you.
Hello all, this is a message for youth on International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. I realized today, the day I started it, I dumped myself into drain to stay alive and alone in pain and let rest all go in vain. Today I am frail and ill. Many losses, relationships gone, dreams shattered, and many years passed by with nothing in the hands to left. Because someday I chose and contracted drugs over life. So youth, before it's get too late, say no, 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 and never again to drugs and alcohol. If you can't refrain, seek professional help. This is Dr. Pratibha Anand Singh, Director and Consultant Clinical Psychologist, Kasturba Institute of Psychology and Behavioral Medicine, in collaboration with Army Institute of Education, wishing you all a drug and alcohol free, very dignified and prosperous life ahead. Thank you.